Yeah, see how to grow potato for your house. So I put container, sound in container, put potato, cover them to germinate. Pour water inside. Pour water inside. Put sand beside your house or in a bag. Anywhere that is comfortable for you. Put sand. Put sand. That's ordinary sand though. See the potato don't germinate after 7 days. Put them for cement. Cut and put for cement. Put them for the house. Put them for the sound. Sorry, put for the sound. Put them. Cover them. Leave am there. After 5 days, see am, e don germinate, e don dey grow. 15 days, you see the height, e don dey grow. After 25 days, don see am, e don grow. Na wow. After 3 months, see am, hey, the potato don yakpa everywhere oh. Just see am, potato everywhere. Just small potato, e don grow. Hunger no suppose kill you for this Naija wey we dey.